TISF will organize a drug awareness event through cultural program on the occasion of Bubagra's birthday on Tuesday. Singer Ritu Riba from Arunachal Pradesh will be performing on the following drug awareness event. Likewise, singer from the state will also be present. Coordinator of TISF Sajra Debarma announced about the event by organizing a press meet at Noyungma on Monday. The youth of the state are indulged in substance abuse with various drugs and tablets. The future of our next generation is in danger. In order to save our future, students of TISF from Tripura has come forward. On the occasion of Bubagra's birthday, TISF will be organized a drug awareness event through cultural program at Agartala Rabindra Bhavan. On the following cultural event, singer Ritu Riba from Arunachal Pradesh will be performing live. Likewise, the state singers Vishwanath Debarma, Swargashri Debarma, Parmita Riyang, Manik Debarma and Rumi Mura Singh. The announcement was made by coordinator of TISF Sajra Debarma at the press meet held at Noyungma.
So, tini press briefing kena hamanikai kena Chini hasteni Bubagra ni asai masal. So abunoti taklai seng TISF rok je student federation domoni Chini Bubagra ni bodom nimate seng kaisa music show organize kai tomo kena rok bodom nai 6 PM ni simi azago Chini state ni singer sobo senior singer sobo tongnai logio khatar hasteni korosa singer Chini northeast ni no bono chinoran bono mugia ko so bono naite e Bubagan bo sung bini asama salni bagai kaisa program el khaika almost omoni bagai norok sung already sung Chini Facebook ro Chini pages ro sung release baita Chini TISF ni pass distribution ni bagai roblo no bagjangnai iko tekisa ni simin no sung 6ta jora bagnai je second final bono manai pass student ong preference ga bijage tongo apuni ya gulo je reporter jara norok reporter tongne ro bongni bagai khai 5 lakh nongni jara jara ID card amo show khai keno sung nongna entry ne karon oro rongro mo khaiman bagai watani jara ngai sung outside khaimaliya holoma khaika an bagai oro limited seat tongmani ngai jotono sung donu namo sung mane haipano sung tini jotono maliya ba joto borok tara attend khaimangla amo bagai sung limited pass namjaka je seat capacity pass je sung na hainai borok manai aboni pore sung je oro puila Chini TISF ni ino khaitong jakon TISF ni student ong bising bangnai so TISF chara phano jara student ong nainam jungnai public ro borok ni bage bo sung pass distribution khaijari tongo pass nahanani system kangkai long ni janjan school ni college ni valid ID card rina nangnai xerox copy kai sung bongno pass li jangnai.
Reported by Krishanu from Agartala, Chini Khorang.